Welcome back to our YouTube channel Kanak Info System LLP. Today we are talking about animation. How we can use the animation in React Native by using third-party library which is React Native Animatable. So let's start. First we need to search React Native Animatable in Google. Copy this command and paste in terminal. After complete this command, we need to install for iOS. First we need to go iOS directory and run the pod install. After installing this library, just import, copy and paste here, and here is some animations which is fade out, fade up, out, down, fade out, up, like. Copy animatable and paste here. Animatable.view, similarly closing text, closing view. Animation is the prop of this library. Fade in. You can see my simulator fade effect. We can use the duration, use native driver and delay also, like duration 1000 millisecond, 4000 we are using. Similarly, fade in left, if we are using fade in left, the animation show left. We can use native driver for Android and delay also. Index into 300. Just need to go index. We can bounce out if you are using bounce out. Bounce out and similarly bounce in. If we using bounce in, the can show the bouncing effect. Bounce in up. If we are using fade out, fade. So thank you guys. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe. Thank you.